got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Well, the plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head.
Alright, 7 o'clock, October 22nd, early muzzleloader in Quinlintown going for doe. It's shooting time. I just heard a coyote behind me. It was awesome. I can shoot coyotes. They're open anytime. Let's see if he does it again. Let's go down there. Oh wow, that's cool. There's one down there. Oh, he might be coming my way. Just saw a turkey way down there. I spooked someone else coming in this morning. And so far it's about 9 o'clock. Just some squirrels in the coyote house is all I've seen and heard. So just move spots a little. It's about 9-10. I just moved like 10-15 yards down more. I just think it was a little easier to see. There's my dad. He actually ended up coming from above me. Where my second spot was. New spot.
I would drop down right here instead of going way down in there. Just drop down right there on that ledge.
Plan is to drop down there, and one guy's gonna be pushing down below. One guy's gonna be pushing up top.
Yeah, just grab a tree right there on the ledge down there, yeah. And Bruce will be coming over the top, and you'll let him know. You'll let him know, or I'll let him know where you're at. Okay? I'll just say you're right below the spur.
I've seen a lot of turkeys. I've seen like 3 so far. So we're gonna do another push. I'm just moving to another location. Me and my dad are sitting. Jim and Bruce are gonna be just circling around trying to push something to us. So that's the plan. Then we're probably gonna head in for lunch. No deer, but my dad did have a bear get about 12 yards from him.
Life is good today. Adios and via con Dios. A long way from GA. And all the muchachas, they call me Big Papa. When I throw pesos their way. Adios and via con Dios.
Yeah. Well, the first time Monday morning, I thought, easier than I thought. I will. You don't want to document this, well, we look good. We're nothing else. We're dressed for Halloween.
Yeah, there you go.
Adios and via con Dios. Going home now to stay.
Chipmunks are going crazy. They're everywhere. It's about 4:10 now. My dad said about 20 minutes ago he saw a 10-point buck. So maybe there's some doe in the area that Buck's looking for.
I'm just gonna kick it on the lake. With my ass in a lawn chair, toes in the clay. Not a
No deer, no nothing. Time to shoot the guns off.
Life is good today. Life is good today.
Shoulder. Flat. Although I would have had to tell the deer to, hey, wait, don't.
Nah, see, it just goes right through it. Doesn't knock it down.
Goes right through it, you think?
Yeah.